The investigation thus far indicates that after the suspects or the escapees had escaped, they hijacked a yacht named Simplicity that was moored at Grand Anse Beach in Grenada and kidnapped the couple. The investigation further reveals that while sailing from Grenada, the suspects committed several criminal acts, including bodily harm to the couple.
Information suggests that while traveling between Grenada and St. Vincent, they dispose of the occupants.
Look at these three comedians: Curly, Larry, and Mo. You hear their names, it's from the Three Stooges. And you remember the Three Stooges? The Three Stooges used to be three funny MF. And yeah, I used to like the Three Stooges. But guess what? You see these three guys here in front of you? They're not no clowns. They're actually rapists, murderers, and robbers. Very dark, these guys. What on earth would drive these guys, as they are alleged to do, escape from prison in Grenada, and then after them escape, hijack a yacht named the Katana, and it was a white man and his wife, and here to them kill the people them can't find them body. But the police there's lots of evidence that kind of points to these guys, but the police I think they're very careless with how they're gathering evidence and putting out information. I know it's the biggest case in St. Vincent right now on the Grenadines and Grenada, but I want you guys listen to this. My wonderful subscribers and viewers, we have a new channel. It's called Countryman Canada, and this channel, it's geared towards Canada and the gangster them, and the dirty boy them, and the knackies, and the pussy hole them. Countryman is gonna talk about them, because let me tell you something about Canada. There is a lot of Caribbean people living in Canada, and if you know some of the stuff they go through and do, it make your hair spin. Canada is not a bed of roses. So this is in a partnership with 6 Degrees. Check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel.
Law enforcement authorities in St. Vincent and the Grenadines and Grenada have major decisions to make in the case of the 2 missing U.S. sailors and the 3 Grenadians suspected of killing them. The suspects, Ron Mitchell, 30, Trevor Robertson, 25, and Ativa Stanislaus, 23, are in prison in Kingstown awaiting sentencing next Monday on immigration charges. The men are suspected of killing U.S. nationals Ralph Hendry and Cathy Brandel sometime after they escaped prison in Grenada on February 18 and fled to St. Vincent overnight. The men appeared in court in Kingstown on Monday, the same day that police in St. George's and Kingstown made separate statements on the case.
Well, I see a little issue with this case here. We want justice for this couple. The people them retire, and them retire to the Grenada back and forth, and it's alleged that these guys do this. But one thing I see in this case, it's the bickering back and forth with the St. Vincent police or the St. Vincent Authority law enforcement and the Grenada. Whereas these guys what St. Vincent should have done is send them right back to Grenada so them can face charges. St. Vincent is charging them with immigration, I guess, to hold them so they can be in the international news media. I don't know. But the first thing you do, you send these guys back. Listen to some of the red tape and the political bullshit. Listen to this.
When it comes to the investigation, as you would appreciate, all of that is happening within the authority of St. Vincent. What we can have done from our end, which is assist in collaboration, we have done that by dispatching 5 persons. But the question of the investigation, it's under the jurisdiction of the St. Vincent Authority.
That don't make sense to me. That's the Grenada police chief talking. They kidnapped the people them from Grenada and dumped them at sea, allegedly, and went to St. Vincent. So they're only charged with immigration violation in St. Vincent. So they need to be sent back to Grenada and only need to do what they need to do to give justice to these people, family. And that's how me feel about it. Now, if you guys want the entire news, it's courtesy of Eyewitness News. I have the full clip, but I'm not gonna play it. What I'm gonna say is, I hope these authorities are not playing with justice for these people. And that's all Countryman is saying. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Peace. I'm out.